Today we're going to work in a very nice pouch. Hello!
Hello.
It's Mary here.
It was good to meet you, but, yeah.
If this is your first time on my channel, welcome to my channel.
Hello.
If you have been watching me, thank you for coming back.
Thank you very much.
In this channel, we teach sewing, we teach home decor, we teach upcycling, we teach so many things.
Wow!
Today, we're going to work in a very nice pouch, as you can see here. This pouch, I made it and I have the pattern in the description. Feel free to download it, share it, and let's get started. Didn't work. And let's get started. Hey, what are you waiting for? If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And let's go back to the video. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoy this tutorial.
That was fantastic.
If you do, please give it a thumbs up.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
See you next time.